How to enable or disable efficiency mode when connected to power in Microsoft Edge. Conserve your battery power while you browse the internet. Here's how to enable or disable efficiency mode in Microsoft Edge when connected to power. Before we begin, be sure to subscribe to NinjaOne's IT Video Hub and our YouTube channel for more tech content like this. What is efficiency mode on Microsoft Edge? Internet browsing can consume a significant amount of CPU usage and battery power. That is why Microsoft Edge uses efficiency mode to reduce CPU and battery usage by minimizing background activity. By default, this mode is enabled when your device is running on battery power. However, some users may want to keep it enabled even when their device is plugged in. Here are 5 ways to configure efficiency mode in Microsoft Edge while connected to power. Methods to configure efficiency mode on Microsoft Edge. Method 1. Edge Settings. The easiest and most user-friendly method is through Microsoft Edge's settings. Click on the 3-dot menu on the top right of the browser and select Settings. Then navigate to System and Performance. Under Performance, look for Turn on Efficiency Mode when connected to power, and toggle it on or off. For admins managing multiple devices, use one of the following 4 methods. Method 2. Group Policy Editor. Let's start with Group Policy. Open the Group Policy Editor and navigate to Computer Configuration, Administrative Templates, Microsoft Edge, Performance. Double-click on the Enable Efficiency Mode on Power Connections policy and set it to Enabled, Disabled, or Not Configured. Click OK, then apply the changes by restarting the device or running gp update/force in command prompt. Method 3. Registry Editor. Next, let's discuss the Registry Editor. Open the editor and navigate to Find or create the D-word 32-bit value named Efficiency Mode Enabled, and set the value data to 1 to enable or 0 to disable efficiency mode while connected to power. Close the registry editor and restart Edge to apply changes. Method 4. PowerShell. The next method is PowerShell, which is ideal for automated deployments in larger environments. The former method is more ideal for larger environments. Open PowerShell and use this script to enable, and use this script to disable. Method 5. .reg file. The .reg file method is suitable for small-scale or offline deployments. Open Notepad and use this script to enable, or this script to disable. Then save it as a .reg file and run it. With efficiency mode, saving battery power can go hand in hand with internet browsing. Keep in mind that group policy and registry configurations override the GUI setting in managed environments. For more information, check out our official blog post on how to configure efficiency mode in Microsoft Edge, linked in the description below.